Welcome! In today's video, we're going to explore how to know if someone has added you on Messenger. This can be especially important if you're trying to connect with someone new or figure out your existing contacts. Let's dive into the steps you can take to find out if someone has saved you on Messenger. First, check your message requests. If someone who isn't your Facebook friend sends you a message, it will show up in the Message Requests section of Messenger. This is your first clue. If you see a message from someone you don't recognize, they may have added you. Next, look at your active contacts. If the person appears in your active contacts list, it's a clear sign that they have added you. This list is updated in real time, so it's a quick way to see who's available and connected. Now let's search for contacts. Open Messenger and use the search bar at the top to type in the name of the person you suspect has added you. If their profile appears in the search results, it means they have indeed added you. This method is straightforward and effective. Finally, keep an eye on notifications. Sometimes you might receive a notification when someone adds you on Messenger, especially if they send you a message. If you see a notification pop up, it's worth checking out, as it can lead you to new connections. By following these steps, you can easily determine if someone has added you on Messenger. It's always great to keep track of your connections and engage with new contacts.